So we know digital TV transmission, but after transmitting digital data at the receiver side, what kind of digital displays are there that we are going to study today? The first digital display that were used called as LCD TV, that is liquid crystal display. So you must have heard about LCD, liquid crystal display. Liquid crystals are the main part of this LCD. So liquid crystals are present in both type, that is in liquid form and solid crystal form. So there are many types of liquid crystals which can be distinguished by their different optical properties, such as birefringences. Birefringences means double refraction, means ray is refracted double times in that. Suppose this kind of type of crystals are there inside your LCD. Okay, these crystals are there in that TV. When suppose rays entering, this ray is refracted and comes out of that crystal. Okay, so this light which is entering into the crystal, that light is white light, and depending upon the shape and the orientation of this crystal, the light which is coming out of that crystal may be of any color light. That will be of any color light. Okay, so in this way, whatever scene is to be shown on TV screen, depending upon the color, suppose one hero is there in that scene, he is wearing blue shirt. So in that TV screen, if suppose hero is standing over here, so consider that this is a person for a period of time. Okay, if this shirt is blue color shirt or red color shirt, so whatever number of small crystals are there here in this region, these crystals will be oriented such that these crystals will reflect only red color out of it. The input or backside of this crystal have white light, but the color coming out of this crystal will be of red light. So here suppose this hair are there, this hair means this crystal will not emit any color of light, so this hair will look like black color. Are you getting it, what I'm telling you? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So in this way, these crystals actually, the shape of this crystal, orientation of this crystal is changed, and the shape and orientation of this crystal is changed by means of temperature, by means of voltage. Okay, so depending upon the type of crystal you are using, the applied parameter is different. So the types of crystal that are used in LCD TV are lithotropic crystal, thermotropic crystal, and metallotropic phases crystal. Out of that, thermotropic and lithotropic liquid crystal consist of organic molecule. Means these crystals are made up of organic molecules. So the orientation and the shape of this crystal is controlled by using temperature. It's controlled by using temperature and the concentration of crystal. If you are to emit million number of colors, then the concentration of crystals should be more in that liquid. जे काही water आहे किंवा जे liquid आहे ज्याच्यात ते crystal insert करून ठेवलेले असतात, तर ते crystals क्वांटिटी पण खूप जास्त लागेल ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला लार्ज कलर ऑफ लाईट एमिट करायचे असेल त्यावेळेस. सो लाइटोट्रोपिक crystal and the thermotropic crystal, when the applied temperature to that crystal is changed, suppose initially that crystal, I am drawing the 3D shape of this crystal. Suppose this is 3D crystal shape. If this crystal is initially in this position, and if you apply the temperature, if you change the temperature, applied temperature, then crystal shape will change like this. See, both the crystals are same crystal, this crystal and this crystal is same, but just applied temperature is different. That's why its orientation has changed like this in clockwise manner. So this crystal is, the shape of the crystal is like this. So whatever color, if white light is entering here and the light entering out here is suppose red, and as the orientation is changed, the entered white light is white light, the emerged light may be the pink light, the variation of the red. Are you getting it what I'm talking to you? So in this way, when orientation of crystal is changed, the light is coming out of that crystal is also different. Okay. So here, as you can see, the crystals are inserted over here. We are going to study what this LCD is actually consisting of. So here the crystals are placed. As you can see, if I zoom in, as you can see, there are number of crystals are there. Correct. So these liquid crystals are there. When the voltage and temperature is changed, as you can see, the orientation is changed. So you can see here the crystals are twisted. So because of this twisting also, the color is different. As you can see here, the crystals, all crystals are parallel. So light emitting is white light, light entering is white light, and the light coming out is blue light. As you can see here, small twisting of the crystal is there. So light coming out is green light. Here again the twisting is more. As you can see, the horizontal crystals have become now vertical. So these crystals are vertical. So light emerging out is your red light. So in this way, in a particular scene, so here n number of crystals are there. So whatever color you want to show on the TV screen, your crystal change its position. Whatever crystals are there, the crystal's position changed, and you can see the white, the red color is looking over there. Suppose one tree is there. One tree is there. The brown color will be shown by twisting the crystal. Here the green color will be shown by twisting the crystal likewise. So in this way, this crystal works. And the third type of crystal, that is metallotropic crystal, it is made up of organic as well as non-organic particle, and the value of the color depends upon temperature coefficient and organic inorganic composition, organic inorganic composition ratio. So in this way, the three types of crystals are used. Okay, so LCDs are classified as passive type of display because they do not emit light. Actually, this TV is LCD TV. This TV is LCD TV, but actually this TV does not emit light. Already one panel is fitted over here at the back side of this LCD. This panel continue emit the white light. Here the white LEDs are fitted over here. If you open the LCD TV, then you will find that if this is the TV, here like this way, whatever line I am drawing here, these lines are nothing but the white light strips. So in this way, the white light LED strips are fitted over here at the back side of the TV. This LEDs continuously emit bright white light, and the orientation of crystal changes, and then finally the color coming out of that crystal is different than your white light. So in this way, this LCD TV works. So liquid crystals have properties that are in between those of conventional liquid and solid crystals. The liquid crystals can flow like a liquid. At the same time, its molecule may be oriented in a solid crystal-like manner. Means your molecules, the crystal molecules are oriented, the shape is changed, the orientation is changed, means vertical to horizontal, horizontal, vertical. So in this way, this molecular structural position changes and the light coming out of it is changed. So there are different type of liquid crystals are available, like twisted nematic crystals, in-plane switching crystals, multi-domain vertical alignment crystals are there, pattern vertical alignment crystals are there. See, whatever crystal type I told you, that is lithotropic, thermotropic, metallotropic, these are the type of crystals, means material used for the crystal, means whether it is organic or inorganic. But whatever types of crystals I told you, that is twisted nematic, in-plane switching, multi-domain vertical alignment, pattern vertical alignment, these are the shapes of the crystal. Shape. So type of material used for manufacturing, there are three types: lithotropic, thermotropic, metallotropic. And type of the shape, then it is twisted and nematic, means helical structure is there. Then again, in plane switching crystals are there that are already shown on your screen. These are in plane. Then your MVA means multi-domain vertical alignment, PVA, pattern vertical alignment. So all these type of liquid crystals are there. Okay, so these crystals are there fitted over the TV. Okay, so if you see, the liquid crystal monitor or the display has number of layers. These are the number of layers. If I zoom in, you will find that here the light source is there. This is the back side of the liquid crystal. Then this polarizer is there. As you can see, this emitted light may fluctuate like this. This is its orientation. This is its orientation. So this polarizer, what it does, this polarizer makes the light unipolar. म्हणजे जी काही लाईट आहे तुमची अशी प्रोपॅगेट होते, तिची जी फ्रिक्वेन्सी आहे ती अशी पण व्हायब्रेट होऊ शकते, किंवा अशी पण व्हायब्रेट होऊ शकते, किंवा हॉरिझॉन्टल डोमेन मध्ये पण व्हायब्रेट होऊ शकते. So this light is polarized using this polarizer. Then these are the TFT films are there, transistor films are there. Then this is these are the liquid crystals are there. Then this is the color filter, RGB color filter is there. Again, this polarizer is there. Okay, diffuser is there, and this is the front side of the LCD display. So there are n number of layers are there in TV screen also. म्हणजे नुसते क्रिस्टल टाकले आणि तुम्हाला LCD TV मिळाला असं नाही. So they has number of layers, and the layers are your back panel of your light, then polarizer, then your you can say the liquid crystals, then the color filters are there, then again polarizer, or you can say the diffusers are there, diffuser panels are there, polarizer, diffuser panel, and finally your light panel, which actually glows when the light falls on it. Okay, so these are the layers of your liquid display. Okay, so what are the advantages of this liquid display? That LCD display has high resolution than your plasma TV. जो काही प्लाझ्मा टीव्ही होता जुना, म्हणजे आपला CRT टीव्हीच्या पुढचं वर्जन आहे प्लाझ्मा टीव्ही. प्लाझ्मा टीव्हीचं पुढचं वर्जन आहे LCD टीव्ही. सो LCD टीव्हीचं रिझोल्युशन हाय आहे. LCD display consume less power as compared to plasma and CRT TV. It has excellent image stability. Its cost is less than plasma display. LCD display ची कॉस्ट जी आहे ती प्लाझ्मा डिस्प्ले पेक्षा कमी आहे. And it has higher life cycle. And also its size is also very less as compared to plasma. Weight is also less. So these are number of advantages of LCD over conventional TV. Okay. It has some disadvantages also. The disadvantages are, suppose this is the front side of TV. See, this is square D, front side of TV. If the viewer is, suppose the viewer is seated over here, means viewer is watching this TV from front side. So this viewer will see this image clearly, the scene clearly. But viewer is here, means it is having very less angle as compared to the TV screen. Then your TV screen or your TV or the image looks like the black and white image. This is because this crystal's orientation with respect to you is changed. बघा, ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही फ्रंट साइडला बसलेले क्रिस्टल तुम्हाला पॅरलल आहे, सॉरी परपेंडिक्युलर आहे, आणि ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही साइडला बसतात कॉर्नरला, then these crystals will become parallel to you. मग त्या क्रिस्टल मधून तुमच्याकडे येणारा लाईटचा अँगल बदलतो, त्याच्यामुळे कलर्स पण बदलतात. हा एक मेजर डिसएडव्हान्टेज आहे LCD डिस्प्लेचा. दिस इज युअर सिटिंग पोझिशन. Sitting position of LCD. So if sitting position changes, the color variations are there. Response slow आहे. ज्यावेळेस कलर इमिजिएटली सीन चेंज होतो, तर क्रिस्टलला ओरिएंटेशन होण्यासाठी वेळ जास्त लागतो. हा. आणि जर कधी कधी पिक्सेल्स खराब झाले म्हणजे क्रिस्टल्स खराब झाले तर काही पार्ट हा खराब होऊन जातो. हे बॅक साईडचे ट्रान्झिस्टर जरी खराब झाले, त्याला व्होल्टेज अप्लाय करणारे क्रिस्टलला व्होल्टेज अप्लाय करणारे ट्रान्झिस्टर खराब झाले तरी काही पार्ट असा डॅमेज होऊन जातो एलसीडी डिस्प्लेवरचा काही ठिकाणचा. ओके, सो दीज आर दी disadvantages are there. Hence, instead of using LCD, the new technology was invented that is called as TFT LCD technology. So where TFT stands for thin film transistor technology. Okay, so what are the advantages? The advantages are its response time is higher as compared to LCD. Again, the TFT response time can be defined as average time taken by it to change the pixel from one shade of gray to another shade of gray. म्हणजे तुमचा जर कलर चेंज झाला तर तो जो ऍव्हरेज टाइम आहे पहिल्या कलर पासून दुसऱ्या कलरला शिफ्ट होण्याचा तो खूप कमी आहे ऍज कम्पेअर टू एलसीडी टीव्ही. सो एलसीडी डिस्प्लेस आर TFT LCD display are easy to construct. They consume small amount of power as compared to even LCD also. म्हणजे प्लाझ्मा पेक्षा एलसीडीचा टाइम कंझ्युम कमी आहे आणि त्यापेक्षा पण कमी टाइम तुमचं त्यापेक्षा कमी पॉवर TFT LCD कंझ्युम करतो. सो TFT LCD आर फास्ट, दे कंझ्युम लेस पॉवर. ओके, सो द कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ TFT is somewhat similar to your LCD. Just the transistorized film is placed in between polarizer and your liquid crystal. So this extra change is made between your LCD display and TFT LCD display. Actually, the diagram which is shown over here to you, this diagram is your TFT LCD display. Not only LCD display, TFT LCD display. In LCD display, this TFT matrix is not present. Transistorized thin film transistorized technology is not present. म्हणजे याला जे बॅक साइडला ट्रान्झिस्टरचे हे जे दिसते तुम्हाला नंबर ऑफ ट्रान्झिस्टर ते तुमच्या एलसीडी टेक्नॉलॉजी मध्ये नसतात. ओके, दिस इज द वन चेंज ओव्हर हिअर. सो TFT टेक्नॉलॉजी, द बॅकलाइट is again same as your LCD. The polarizers working is same as your LCD TV, and the diffuser work is again same as your LCD. So LCD and TFT LCD technology are relatively similar. Just the difference is that it is using the thin film of transistor at the back side of this crystal. Means orientation of crystal is changed using this thin film transistors. Hence the response time is fast. Hence the response time is relatively fast as compared to the digital your normal LCD technology. Okay, so this is your LCD TFT technology. Okay, so advantages are the thickness of the screen is reduced even more. म्हणजे LCD पेक्षा TFT LCD ची थिकनेस ही अजून कमी आहे. दे आर वॉल माउंटेबल, म्हणजे ते वॉल माउंटेबल आहेत थिकनेस कमी असल्यामुळे. TFT displays do not reflect any light, so they offer high degree of visual comfort. त्यानंतर तुमचा जो आपण म्हणतो की रिस्पॉन्स टाइम हा फास्ट आहे, पॉवर कन्झम्पशन एलसीडी पेक्षा पण कमी आहे, लाईफ लॉंग आहे. कारण की जर इथे एवढं जर क्रिस्टल्स जे आहे हे क्रिस्टल डॅमेज होण्यापासून वाचतात या थिन फिल्म ट्रान्झिस्टरच्या पॅनलमुळे. सो लाईफ इज इन्क्रीज्ड. अगेन ट्रान्झिस्टर टेक्नॉलॉजी असल्यामुळे हा टीव्ही जो आहे तो कमी गरम होतो. मीन्स हीट डिसिपेशन चांगला आहे आणि स्मॉल अमाऊंट ऑफ हीट ही जनरेट होते ऍक्च्युली. सो रेडिएशन पण त्याच्यापासून कमी होणार आहे. जे की तुमच्या CRT टीव्ही मधून जे रेडिएशन येतात ते याच्यामधून तुम्हाला मिळणार नाही. ओके, अँड देन द डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस आर द ब्राईटनेस ऑफ इमेज मे बी इनएडिक्वेट फॉर सर्टन ऍप्लिकेशन. कधी कधी जे ब्राईटनेस आहे टीव्हीचा तो कमी होऊन जातो. रिझोल्युशन हाय आहे पण अल्ट्रा हाय नाही. जे आपण म्हणतो की 16 मिलियन कलर्स, तर ते TFT LCD टेक्नॉलॉजी मध्ये मिळू शकत नाही. ओके, देन द कॉस्ट इज व्हेरी हाय. द कलर्स आर नॉट करेक्टली ट्रान्सक्राईब्ड. म्हणजे जे काही सपोज रेड कलर कॅप्चर करताना जसा होता तो टीव्हीच्या स्क्रीनवर रिजनरेट करताना त्यात थोडंसं व्हेरिएशन येतं. डिस्प्ले स्क्रीन इज व्हेरी सेन्सिटिव्ह, म्हणजे टच केल्यावरती ते क्रिस्टल्सचं बबल तयार होतं बघा. तुम्ही बऱ्याच वेळेस बघितलेलं पण असेल. सो दॅट्स वाय वी मूव्ड ऑन टू द एलईडी टीव्ही. सो द एलईडी टीव्ही इज युअर लाईट एमिटिंग डायोड टीव्ही. So it is nothing but LCD TV only, but just instead of using the CFL lamp, जो LCD TV आहे, LCD TV च्या बॅक साइडला इथे असा CFL लॅम्प यूज केलेला असतो. So instead of CFL lamp, here the strip of LEDs are used. So the difference between LCD TV and LED TV is that instead of using one single CFL lamp at the back side of your TV panel, we are using the n number of white light LEDs. Hence it is called as LED TV. So backlight LED is used, hence it is called as LED TV. But the entire work of the TV is same as compared to that of your LCD TV. But इथे CFL ला जास्त जागा लागणार आणि एलईडी ला जागा कमी लागणार. दॅट्स वाय इट इज मोर थिनर ऍज कम्पेअर्ड टू एलसीडी टीव्ही. ओके, सो पॉवर कंझम्पशन इज अगेन रिड्यूस्ड टू ग्रेटर अमाउंट. सो एलईडी डिस्प्ले कॅन यील्ड अ ट्रू बॅक इफेक्ट टू मच ग्रेटर एक्सटेंट. होतं काय की हा जो सीएफएल बल्ब आहे तो सेंट्रल आहे, इथे सेंट्रल असणार आहे. त्याच्यामुळे हे जे कॉर्नर्स आहे, कॉर्नरला त्या अमाऊंटची बॅकलाईट ही मिळत नाही. त्याच्यामुळे एलसीडी टीव्ही हा थोडासा ऍज कम्पेअर टू कमी ब्राईटनेस प्रोव्हाइड करतो एलईडी टीव्ही पेक्षा. आणि एलईडी टीव्हीला काय होतं की नंबर ऑफ एलईडीज असे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट केलेले असतात वेगवेगळ्या पॅटर्न मध्ये. त्याच्यामुळे तो एलईडी टीव्ही हा चांगला ब्राईटनेस पिक्चरवर क्रिएट करतो ऍज कम्पेअर टू युअर एलसीडी टीव्ही. अँड द रिमेनिंग वर्क इज एक्झॅक्टली सेम ॲज युअर एलसीडी. म्हणजे हे जे आहे की तुमच्या क्रिस्टलचं ओरिएंटेशन चेंज होतं, म्हणजे तुमचा कलर चेंज होणार, बाकीचं सगळं वर्किंग सेम आहे. ओके, सो ओनली चेंज इज दॅट दिस लाईट विच इज जनरेटेड इन केस ऑफ एलसीडी इट वॉज जनरेटेड युझिंग युअर सीएफएल ट्यूब, सीएफएलच्या ट्यूबने. आणि आता एलईडी टेक्नॉलॉजीमध्ये सीएफएलच्या जागी एलईडीची स्ट्रीप वापरली जाते. सो दॅट स्ट्रीप प्रोड्युसेस द लाईट, व्हाईट लाईट. अँड द रिमेनिंग दॅट इज जसं आपण म्हणतो की पोलरायझेशन होतं. पुढे टीएफटी ट्रान्झिस्टर्स आहे, त्यानंतर लिक्विड क्रिस्टल्स आहे, लिक्विड क्रिस्टलच्या पुढे आरजीबी फिल्टर्स आहे, त्याच्यानंतर पोलरायझर, डिफ्युजर आहे आणि तुमचं फ्रंट पॅनल आहे. बरोबर. सो ऑल द पार्ट्स, ऑल द लेयर्स आर सेम एक्सेप्ट दिस CFL. Instead of CFL, we are using here in LED TV, the LED strip is used, white light strip. So the advantages are again more that backlight using LED results the sharper picture, brightness वाढणार आहे, त्याचा पिक्चर शार्प होणार आहे. LED TVs are more efficient, म्हणजे LCD TV पेक्षा तो 40% पॉवर लेस कंझ्युम करतो. कारण की LCD TV काय यूज करतो, CFL ट्यूब्स. जसं की जुन्या काळी आपल्या घरात पहिले आपण CFL चे ट्यूब, CFL बल्ब वापरत होतो. आता तेच आपण LED बल्ब वापरतो कारण की लाईट अजून कमी कंझ्युम होते. So LED backlighting system does not have any delays or any warm up time. CFL ला गरम होण्यासाठी वेळ लागतो, LED ला गरम होण्यासाठी वेळ लागत नाही. LED TVs are having contrast comparable to the plasma TV. These LED TVs are more brighter than your standard TV and it is much thinner than your LCD and plasma TV. So now the motion, when picture is in motion, no delay, no lag is there and true color is produced at the TV. Correct? So these are the technologies of LCD TV. I hope they are clear. So the digital TV displays are, you can say the LCD display are there, then TFT LCD display are there and the LED TV display are there. So these three type of displays are there in your HDTV technology. The number of layers are same. Just in LCD, the CFL bulb is used as a white light source. In LED, the LED strip is used. ही जी अशी स्ट्रीप इथे दाखवलेली आहे, तिथे नंबर ऑफ LEDs असतात, व्हाईट LEDs जे व्हाईट लाईट प्रोड्यूस करतात. ओके, सो दिस इज इट. that is digital TV display devices. So these number of display devices are there nowadays in the market. Most of you are having already this LED and LCD TV. So you are already aware of this technology, no doubt there. Is there any doubt? If yes, then you can ask me.